Welcome back, sweet friends. Today I'm transforming my spring tea corner into a bright and playful kitchen lemonade stand using simple Dollar Tree finds and items I already had. It's going to be charming and useful and perfect for summer days, whether it's just you or the grandkids or a little get together. So let's make something pretty and practical together. This was my spring tea area, and as much as I've loved it, it's time for a little refresh. I'm ready to bring in something brighter for summer. Before I add any of the new decor or treats, I always start with a good wipe down. A fresh surface just makes everything feel better. And every time I create one of these setups, it's like pressing reset on the season. Now I'm setting up the crates I painted with acrylic paints. I found all these at Dollar Tree, 7 crates total, and I painted 3 little wooden pallets in white and yellow to add a bit of sunshine to the whole look. It's one of my favorite parts of the setup. This stack becomes the centerpiece of the whole lemonade bar. It looks just like a mini market stand, and it's always so fun to build. 2 of the crates are positioned for storage so I can tuck in the essentials like mix-ins and extras. And the top tier is where I'll be displaying all the drinks I picked up, lemonades, teas, and a few cute waters. You'll see it really come to life once everything is styled on top. It's a simple idea, but it adds so much personality. Then next, I added my little water bottles with these cute labels that have pockets on the front. Perfect for slipping in some instant lemonade or tea packets. It's a simple touch, but it just makes things feel a little more thoughtful. Then I started adding the rest of the store-bought drinks because why not? This setup makes it easy to grab and go, especially for my husband and me when we're out on the patio. I even found some sugar-free lemonades I knew that he would enjoy. And of course, I had to add some bottled iced tea so we can mix it with lemon or lemonade whenever we want. With all of this up here, the top tier is officially set. To make this even more fun and functional, I added some cute chalkboard tags with simple little labels just to let guests know what's what. Then I filled in the bottom crates with honey sticks, which are great if anyone wants to make hot tea with lemon. I added sugar packets, both regular and stevia, for different preferences. And of course, more of those Weiler's instant lemonade and lemon iced tea packets to pair with the bottled waters. I even tucked in some lemon packets I found on Amazon just for an extra splash of citrus. To carry the summer color scheme through, I used pink, yellow, and green striped straws and added little straw flags that say lemonade. I put them all in a glass vase from Dollar Tree and tied it with a bit of gingham ribbon I found there too. And to finish off this little area, I added a mini sign on a Dollar Tree easel. It says lemonade and adds just the right touch. And I made the printable just for you. You can find the free link in the description below if you'd like one for your own setup. I also added a couple of treat jars I made using E6000 glue. A glass container with a lid and a Dollar Tree glass candlestick were how I put this together. I even added little painted wood knobs to the top, just a sweet embellishment that makes them feel more special. I filled mine with store-bought lemon cookies, but you could definitely do homemade if you enjoy baking. I just love that this makes things a little easier and it still looks so thoughtful. You could also add popcorn or yogurt-covered pretzels, really anything light and summery to pair with all the lemonade and tea. What would you put in these jars? I'd love to know. Next, I made my Sunny Sip snack mix. I used popcorn, yogurt-covered pretzels, a few Teddy Grahams, white chocolate chips, and some honey roasted cashews. Most of these came from the Dollar Tree since I'm not hosting a big party. I just wanted a little sweet treat to enjoy at home. If you're putting this together for a gathering, you can use any trail mix combo you like. It's super flexible and easy to make ahead. I just tossed everything into a big bowl and gave it a good stir. Then I spooned the mix into these little lemonade stand favor boxes. I lined each one with a treat bag that I trimmed down to fit. It makes them easier to fill and cleaner to grab from later. Once they were done, I added them to my lemonade bar setup right near the other treats. Aren't these cute? They really tie in with the whole lemonade stand theme and make the whole setup feel more thoughtful. Part of any bar setup, whether it's for drinks or treats, is having all the right utensils and napkins out so guests don't have to ask when they grab something. I put these cute utensil wraps together in no time. I used pink, green, and yellow plastic silverware from the Dollar Tree and paired each set with a white napkin and wrapped them up nice and neat. Then I added everything to a simple wicker basket that I already had and use often. It just keeps the whole area tidy and easy to grab from. I also tucked in some extra napkins, and I keep extra silverware nearby in case I need to refill the basket later. It's a small detail, but it really makes things feel more complete. I always like to add a little coffee and tea corner to go with my lemonade bar. It just brings everything together and makes the whole setup feel extra cozy. And I started with this beautiful wine glass that says Mimi on it. I couldn't resist filling it with lemon drops for a fun little touch. Then I added a tin pail from Dollar Tree and filled it with colorful spoons and all the lemonade stand colors. And next I brought out my lemon mugs from TJ Maxx. I've had them for years and they come out every summer. I added some to-go coffee cups with lemon designs, plus a sugar and cream setup, just the basics to keep it simple. And behind it all, I framed a cute little printable sign to sit by the coffee maker. It makes the whole space feel put together without being fussy. And of course, I had to add a sweet treat. I wrapped a few Hershey bars in lemon-themed paper and tucked them into one of the mugs. And to top it all off, I found the most adorable lemon teapot while shopping with friends. It was one of those I had to have it moments, and it really completes the look. A lemonade bar just wouldn't be complete without a cozy coffee and tea corner nearby. It ties everything together and it makes summer feel like it's already here. I've really started to love adding a few fun games to my bar setups. It's such a simple way to spark conversation and get everyone connecting again. The first one is a little 4x6 lemonade this or that game. It's so easy, just circle the one you prefer, then sit with your husband, your friends, or family and see what they picked and why. The bottom even has a spot to write what you name your own lemonade stand, which always brings out the most creative answers. And of course, I had to add something playful for the kids, or really for any of us who still like to act like a kid sometimes. This lemonade match game comes with 24 cards, and I laminated mine so they last. It even comes with a cute little box that you can fold up and leave on the counter. I just keep mine out for anyone who needs a little moment of fun. I also wanted to share how I put together a couple of my favorite summer drinks, one with a little kick and one without. They're both easy and perfect for this lemonade bar setup. First up is my cocktail. I used a cocktail shaker for this, and I started by adding a handful of ice. Then I poured in 2 ounces of pink lemonade, 2 ounces of coconut rum, and 1 ounce of apple juice. Once everything was in, I gave it a really good shake. I poured it into a nice glass, and look at these. I found the cutest little reusable ice chillers. They look like cut up lemons in pink and yellow. You freeze them and use them in place of regular ice so your drink stays cold but never gets watered down. You can rinse them, refreeze, and use them again. I dropped a few in and I added a striped straw, and just like that, the cocktail was ready. Now for something non-alcoholic, a good old Arnold Palmer. This one couldn't be easier. I filled a glass with ice, then added half iced tea. And then next, I poured lemonade gently over a spoon so it layers a little. It just makes it feel a little more special. Add another striped straw and a few more of those ice chillers, and you've got a refreshing summer drink for anyone to enjoy. Both of these are easy to make, easy to share, and just fun to sip on while you're enjoying time outside or sitting at your lemonade bar. This whole setup just makes me smile. It reminds me of my childhood, standing outside with my brother and friends selling lemonade on the sidewalk, and sometimes it was Kool-Aid too. Do you remember those stands? Maybe I'll track down some lemon Kool-Aid and add it to the bar next. Anyway, here's one last look at everything. I hope it inspires you to create something simple and special this summer. Enjoy. Thanks for spending time with me today. Make sure to check out my other summer videos, including how I made my fresh lemonade last year. It's still a favorite of mine. And don't forget to grab my free easel printable below. And if you're interested in my other printables that you've seen today, head to my shop on Etsy at Grin and Print or from the link below. I hope this inspires you to create a little summer joy right where you are. I'll see you next Wednesday, sweet friends. Let me know how you like this setup in the comments and if you are planning on putting together a lemonade party or bar of your own. Hey friends, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you found some fun and budget-friendly ideas to bring into your home. A special shout out to all my subscribers. You guys are amazing. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss a video. I post weekly with more home decor, party planning, and DIY goodness. Also, check out my shop at Grin and Print on Etsy. I've got some fun games, printables, and party supplies that I know you'll love. Thanks again for all your support, and I'll see you in the next video.